Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 15 from this Boylestad book. So the question is, using branch current analysis, find the magnitude and the direction of the current through each resistor for the network of this circuit here. And then find the voltage VA. Yeah, we are asked to use branch current analysis, or in other words, nodal analysis. Okay. Maybe for the question A, let's assume the direction of the current first. So maybe I want this going to the right, this also going to the right, and this I want it to go down. So now let's do KCL at node A. And KCL said that the sum of the currents that goes in will equal to the sum of the currents that goes out. The only current that goes in is from this current here. So we know that this node here is 4 volt from the ground. So this green node here is 4. And this one will be 6 volt from the ground. So if we want to calculate this, we can use Ohm's law, which is the difference of the voltage divided by the resistance between them. So I will have 4 minus VA divided by 4, because the resistance between them is 4 ohm. And this is the only current that goes in. The other currents is going out. So now let's put equal sign there. And then this current here, we will have VA divided by 8. And then plus this current here, I will have VA minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. Now let's remove all the denominator by multiplying both sides by 8. Okay. On the left hand side, we will have 4 and 8 will cancel into 2, so I will have 8 minus 2 VA. And that will equal to VA plus, this one will cancel into 4, so I have 4 VA minus, this one will be 24. Okay, let's do some simplification here. So on the left hand side, I will have 8 plus 24, that should be 32. And then for this one, I will have 5 VA plus 2, that will be 7 VA. And we got the VA from here. VA, that will be 32 divided by 7, that should be 4 point something. Maybe let's just use calculator. Okay, where is my calculator? There it is. 32 divided by 7 will be 4.571. So we'll have VA will be 4.571. 4. Yeah, 4. And the unit will be volt. And this is the answer for the B question, right? So this one will be our VA. And for the question A, we are asked about the current. So let's name this I1, this SI2, and this SI3. So what is I1? I1 is 4 minus VA. 4 minus VA divided by 4. And that should be, yeah, let's do calculator. 4 minus VA. VA is 32/7. divided by 4. Yeah, I will have minus 0.1428. Okay, minus 0.1428, and the unit will be ampere. So I1 here actually going to the left with the magnitude of positive 0.1428. And then for I2 is just VA minus 6 divided by 2. And we will get what is said. VA is 32/7. And then minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, we will have minus 71.43. Minus 0.71.43. And the unit is ampere. So I2 is actually going to the left with the magnitude of this one. And then for I3 is VA divided by 8. Okay, and what is I3? VA divided by 8. VA is 32 divided by 7, and then divided by 8. 4/7 or 0.57 and 15. Okay, 0.57 then 15. So this is the current I1, I2, and I3. And the direction is to the left. This is also to the left. And this is going down. And that's all. See you in the next video. I think that's all. Bye bye.